everyone, this is Rashi and welcome back to the Reading Platter. So this is a little update for you guys. I recently filmed my mid-year stats video and that will be linked up here so you can check that out. But this is a little, update kind of. Actually, I have been busy this month and I haven't read much. I have read books, but the books were not on my TBR. I had a lot of things going on. I went to my village for some work and video will be linked here. I blogged my experience there so you can check that out too. And the thing is, I am not getting time actually. I have been not writing blogs. It's been more than a week since I have posted anything on my website. I am not that active on YouTube as well and Instagram too, thanks to YouTube Shorts that I'm posting on my channel when I cannot post a video. The playlist for the shorts will be linked down in the description so you can check that out. So I have decided that I will be posting shorts on my channel too, because obviously they are short and they are like something to post when I don't have content. I have content, like I have a separate diary where I have written everything that what I want to post on what day. But I am not getting time to film, like to pick up the camera, set all of the things up, put on makeup and everything. It's not like I'm not motivated or something, but it is my favorite season. It is monsoon here in India and I'm loving it. I love monsoon, but the thing is I'm just a little too much busy. I am not doing anything personal. I don't know where my time is going. I really don't know. I am studying and I am busy with stuff in kitchen. I am learning a lot of things to cook, but yes, with so much to study and so much tension, I am really behind of the schedule. I am not posting on my blog. I am not making much videos. Today I made time to film videos and I'm filming bulk videos, and you will see a lot of videos in this top because I actually am very busy and I am filming for like 2 weeks, and of course it is very difficult, but to actually film like every day for the next video, it's very difficult. So yeah, I will be posting shorts. Secondly, I really don't like making wrap-up videos and I really don't like watching wrap-up videos. But the thing is, this is a booktube content, but I don't want to force myself into anything. I really don't want to force myself into making content that I don't like or watching anything that I don't like. I want this as a relaxation. Okay, I want YouTube as a relaxation, as a hobby. I'm not earning, obviously I'm not earning from YouTube because I have not completed the things that are necessary, and obviously it is just an hobby. I like posting stuff. I don't care about the likes or the views. I just love posting. I just love your responses that you give me, not in the comment section but yes, on my Instagram. And also a few of you comment, and that means so much for me. But I don't want to force myself into making content that I don't enjoy, because if I don't enjoy making it, I know it will not come out good and you will not enjoy watching it. So I have decided that I will post in YouTube Shorts. So that video should not be more than 60 seconds, like maybe not more than 59 seconds. So I will be posting a 59-second review for the book that I will read in a month. So that will be kind of a review, because obviously I have to review books. That is the goal of this channel. And also, this the name of the channel is The Reading Platter. So the idea behind this channel name was like, in a platter that you order in a restaurant, you get so many things in that platter. So I initially wanted to post a lot of things on this channel, but the reading was given because books was the main focus. So it was a booktube channel, but I wanted to post many things. So I will be posting a lot of different things, maybe not now, but in in the coming future, but in the near future maybe, but maybe not right now. But I will be very much interested in posting those videos too, because it is a platter, it is a reading platter. You get a lot of things where with reading, and I also learned so many things. Like, I just made a travel vlog which I linked here. I went to my village and it was so much fun. I loved making that vlog. I loved editing it. It took me 2 hours to edit that whole thing. Actually, I first inserted some song that had copyright, so I had to do it all over again, and it was so much fun. It was fun, it was something different, and you also liked it. So obviously I will be posting much content here. So yeah, this was, and also I'm not liable to post 2 days. I just love posting it. Maybe I will be posting for 3 days, maybe I'll post for 2 days, maybe I'll post more shorts videos. I don't know that, but I want this channel to be fun for me as well. So yes, that will be it for this video. I just talked about how I'm busy, and I will be posting many things on this channel, and also the change in the wrap-up system. So yeah, that was it. And also I'm planning so many fun vlogs in the future, and 2 new vlogs will come this month in August, because this is 1 year anniversary month of this channel. So yeah, I thought that this will be the best time to change so many things on this channel, that it will be fun for me as well, because I am studying and working and making videos and writing. So that is a lot of stuff. So I want to make videos that will make my day actually. So yeah, this was the update. I hope you guys are okay with it. If you're not, then let it be, because I post for me as well. I know some of the things are not for some audience and some are not for some audience. So I am posting for all of you guys. So yeah, this was it for today's video, and we'll meet in the next one.